Yo, okay. What up? Alright, this is what I've been doing. Change the back brake. I did it. You know, it ain't that. And I also, let me see, show you this. This is a lift cup, probably about 3 inches or something like that. So, that's what I'm doing. Putting a lift kit on my car. I know. Putting a lift kit on my car. I could have showed you, but you know, I'm not trying to kill myself or whatever. So I'm just gonna show you what I did. Let me see. Yep, you see that cut? When I level the car back out, it'll sit flush. Got it up there. I know, don't laugh at my setup, but hey, it works. Shocks. It's pretty simple though. Pretty simple to put these cups on. You take out the lower control arm, and you take out the shock. Both sides, you're gonna have to take the tires off on both sides. You know, both lower control arm and the shocks. It's better with two people because you can have somebody push down on the drum or whatever. Have somebody push down on the drum, then you can put that cuff up there. Yep. Yeah, fuel pump. It's a 5-inch lift. It'll come down some, you know. Now I'm doing the front. This is how I do my front. I put it on my jack and I lower it slowly until that spring pops out. I'm not going by there because I've been hit with that spring before. So I'm not going by there. Yeah, just a little quick update on what I'm doing. Yeah, I gotta slap that side on this side. I went on and put the other side on. Yep. Monte Carlo 87. 5.3 carbureted. Hey. Aluminum radiator, electric fans, AC. Yep. MSD box, that's the 14. I gotta put a valve cover gasket on, see? Well, you can see it's dark here. I got the valve cover gasket. Let me show you the valve cover gasket. It's pretty there outside. Yeah.
Garage door.
We got a valve cover gasket. Gotta put that on there. It's all good. They're trying to get something did on Martin Luther King Day or whatever. That's what I'm doing, you know, don't messing with that. Valve cover's gonna be pretty easy. You take the coil packs out. Well, you unbolt the coil pack bracket and just lean it over. You can unplug it. And it's like 4 bolts behind there, 4 or 5 bolts. Pulls it off. I might show it to you, might not, you never know. But right now I'm installing this lift kit. And I probably cut it back on. Look at it, man, look at it. You can't tell me that ain't dangerous. That's why you see where I'm at. I'm trying to get away from it, I don't care. But this is my little setup, it works. I'll probably make another video when I'm putting the valve cover gasket on and like do a full walk around of the car. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I'll check back in later.